Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to repair an old document using Microsoft Word. So if you have an old document that's not looking very pleasant to the eyes and you want to kind of, add a bit of life to it to make it look more appealing to the eyes. Or maybe you took a picture of a document and the picture needs to be cleaned like I have right here. As you can see, the background of this picture is not looking as white as a document should be. So you can use these few steps to clean it up. So first of all, you're going to need to insert the picture. So you're going to head over to the insert ribbon and then you're going to hit on the pictures button and then you're going to hit on this device. So right here, you select the location where you have the picture. So I have it on my desktop. So here it is right here. And then I'm going to click on the insert button right here. So after inserting the picture on Microsoft Word, you are going to wrap it so that you'll be able to move the picture freely on Microsoft Word to anywhere you want in case you have to. So you are going to hit on the picture format ribbon button and then you are going to hit on the wrap text button. So down here you select the in front of text. So when you select that, you are good to go. So after doing that, to clean up this document, you are going to go over to the picture format ribbon again. So under the picture styles category, there's a little button at the down right corner. So when you hit on that, this pane appears. So at the top of the pane, you have different buttons right there. You have the fill and line, you have the effects, we have layout and properties, we have pictures. So you're going to select this pictures button. What you're looking for right there is the picture corrections. So when you hit on the picture corrections, you find different options down there. So what you're going to do, you're going to change the values right here. So the sharpness right here is 0. So you are going to change that to 50. And then down here, you are going to set the brightness to 75. And lastly, we have the contrast. So you are going to set the contrast. You're going to leave it on 25. So if you look back at the picture on your page, you see it's looking nice and clean. So I'm going to close this right here. So I'm going to rotate this a bit to straighten the picture. So right now you can export this document as a PDF or whatever document format you want. So to do that, you are going to head over to your files button right here. And then you are going to click on the save as button. And then you are going to click on browse. So right here, you can choose your file location where you want your document to be saved. You can also give it a file name right here. So let's say PDF. And then you are going to select the file type right here. So right here, you can save it as a PDF, save it as a Word template, save it as a XPS document. So I'm going to select the PDF right here. So, and then I'm going to click on the save button. So after saving my document, you can head over to the file location where you saved it and there you have your document. So that's it right there. So that is it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, be sure to support my channel by subscribing and also don't forget to turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you and I'll see you on the next one.